Johnny's Bar and Grill, Mexican and American cuisine with daily and weekly specials, juicy burgers, mouth-watering tacos, and more. 1519 West Highway 150 in Lincolnton.
This is Community Focus on the WHKY News. I'm Rob Eastwood. Up first, David Cedrone sat down with Keith Smith, who wears many hats in the town of Hudson, for a conversation about an upcoming holiday show in Caldwell County.
Keith Smith from the WHKY studios. Keith Smith does something every year special for Christmas. He's going to tell us all about it.
Hi, it's good to see you, David.
You too.
Welcome to this area.
I appreciate it.
We have a concert. I started this concert back in 2010, and we've done it every year except for the COVID year and a couple of other years when I had some health issues. But it's called Home for Christmas. It began with the concept of, in the old days, we had these mahogany stereo cabinets, and you had long play albums. You put them on and they'd drop one on the other.
I remember them.
My parents, and
yeah,
you're not really that old, but you knew it from that.
Yeah, I remember them.
My parents, and I was the only child, they'd go down the hall to the bedroom on their bedroom on the left and mine on the right, and we'd listen to those Christmas albums as we fell asleep. And it was Nat King Cole and Dean Martin and Frank Sinatra and Bing Crosby and Andy Williams. And so I was thinking about those childhood Christmases and thinking how it would be nice to perpetuate those and bring them back and reminisce. So I started this concert. So we have a 50-voice choir. We sing both sacred and secular music. These are very fine singers. People will be surprised at the quality. And we do music of the season. We have a nice meal. This year it's catered by Simms Barbecue.
Wow.
We have both chicken and pork barbecue, corn fritters, baked beans, slaw, potato chips, peach cobbler. And so that starts at 6:30. You don't have to cook that day. You can go shopping, come listen to the concert. Okay. And the concert is at 7:30. We'll talk about the details in a minute, but the concert follows the meal. And there's a nativity scene display, a beautiful down the hall that people will want to see with pieces from all over the world for manger scenes.
It seems like you have a lot of vision. You've had a lot of vision. I mean, this has been going on 15 years now.
We've actually done 13. It's been 15 years, but there were a couple we were down, but we kept it going and perpetuated it, and I'm very pleased with that and very, very blessed. The concert is, the actual performance dates are the 12th and the 13th of December. That's not this Friday, but a week from now, Friday and Saturday. The meal at 6:30, the concert at 7:30. Tickets are $37 for the meal and the concert, $20 for the concert only. Okay. And you can get those tickets by calling the Hub Station box office. Addie or Rakima, great ladies, will take care of you. That number is 828-726-8871. Or you can go by in person to the box office. It's 145 Cedar Valley Road, Hudson. But the best way to get a ticket is to go to the Hub Station website or the Town of Hudson website and go online and follow the link to tix.com. tix.com.
Okay, or thank you for being here. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
The same to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, David, and thanks to Keith for taking the time to stop by our studios. Catawba Valley Community College students now have a clear, guaranteed pathway to NC State University through Wolfpack Connect, a new transfer initiative established by the North Carolina Community College System and NC State University. Through Wolfpack Connect, CVCC students who earn an associate degree, maintain a minimum 3.0 GPA, and meet NC State's transfer deadlines will be guaranteed admission into more than 100 eligible majors and concentrations at NC State. Wolfpack Connect is designed to make transfer planning more transparent, predictable, and accessible for students beginning their academic journey at CVCC. The program ensures that students understand their eligibility requirements early, allowing them to confidently map out a seamless path from CVCC to NC State. Eligibility forms will open in January of next year for students intending to enroll at NC State in the fall of 2026. Burke County government announced the grand opening of the newly renovated Burke County Courthouse following completion of a comprehensive $3 million renovation project designed to improve public access, enhance court operations, and preserve one of the county's most important civic buildings. Burke County commissioners worked to secure state and federal funding for the project and were successful in completing it with zero cost to Burke County residents. The multi-phase renovation included the addition of a new fully equipped courtroom, renovation of the basement level to relocate the DA's office, a complete overhaul of the first floor clerk of court offices, and a partial roof replacement to ensure the long-term stability of the structure. Well, that wraps up Community Focus and the WHKY News today. Remember, you can get all of the latest news and sports 24/7 by going to our website, WHKY.com. We also have local news and sports 7 days a week on our sister station, WHKY Radio. That's 1290 AM and 102.3 FM. Also streaming on multiple platforms and at our website. Thank you so much for joining us. On behalf of David Cedrone, Jason Savage, and Keith Smith, I'm Rob Eastwood, and from Hickory, this is the WHKY News.